Magandang umaga po, Yusek. Ano po ang reaksyon ng Pangulo o ng Palasyo po doon sa desisyon ng Office of the Solicitor General na recusal o pag-atras po na maging kinatawan ng gobyerno sa mga petisyon sa Supreme Court kaugnay po ng pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte? Iginit po kasi ng OSG na wala nang kahit anong legal obligation ang gobyerno na makipagtulungan sa ICC dahil nga daw po hindi na tayo miyembro ng Rome Statute.
Okay. Sa kanya pong manifestation, sinabi he wants to recuse himself to represent because he cannot effectively represent the government. First, okay, ginagamit po kasi ito ng ibang mga partido na di umanong naniniwala ang Solgen na may kamalian sa ginawa ng pamahalaan sa pakikipagtulungan sa Interpol. Maliwanag po kung inyong nabasa ang manifestation po ni Solgen Maynardo Guevara. Binanggit lamang po niya na siya po ay naniniwala na walang jurisdiksyon ang ICC sa Pilipinas. Yan din naman po ang tinura noon pa ng Pangulo. Pero hindi po niya nabanggit kailanman sa kanya manifestation na mali ang pakikipagtulungan ng gobyerno sa Interpol. Yun po. So kung hindi po niya kakayanin ipagtanggol ang gobyerno, ang mga opisyal po ng gobyerno na tumugon sa Interpol, siguro sa kanya pong damdamin lamang po yun.
One follow-up lang po, ma'am. May possibility po ba na palitan ang Solicitor General kasi parang he defied yung mandato niya na maging representative po ng gobyerno sa mga kaso?
Wala pa pong napag-uusapan dyan dahil napakabago po talaga nito. Lumabas lang po yata to kagabi. Pero siguro po mas maganda po kung mismo si Solgen ang mag-assess sa sarili niya kung siya pa po ba ay nararapat na tumayo bilang Solicitor General.
Follow-up to the same question, Tuesday New DZBB.
Good morning, Yusek. Kung ganun po ang sitwasyon ngayon ng OSG, ano po ang natitirang option or legal remedy ng gobyerno para magkaroon ng representation po doon sa pagtatanggol kay dating Pangulong Duterte sa ICC if meron man na plano ng ganito ang gobyerno?
Kailangan po sumagot. Kung sino man po ang respondent sa Supreme Court, hindi po maaaring hindi sumagot. Kailangan po ipagtanggol kung anong ginawa nila at ipagtatanggol po ito base sa batas.
Mayroon po bang plano ang pamahalaan natin na kumuha ng legal service ng private counsels to represent the government for that?
Wala pa po kami na pag-uusapan kung ano pong balakin dyan, pero sasagot po sila. Kung ito man galing sa gobyerno ng mga lawyers or private, hindi pa po namin na pag-uusapan.
But mayroon, ma'am, na ganong option na gagawin. Dahil nga ang OSG ay dumistansya na.
Kukuha po sila ng abogado. Hindi lang po natin alam kung mula sa gobyerno o mula sa pribado.
Sino po ang kukuha ng abogado?
Yung mga respondents po.
Okay. Hindi po from respondents din for sa kaso is ES Lucas Bersamin, kung tama po ang pagkakaintindi ko, and Department of Justice, ganun po ba yun? Sila ang kukuha ng abogado?
Kung sila po yung involved sa kaso, kailangan po nilang sumagot. So, kailangan din po nilang kumuha ng abogado.
Okay, salamat po.
Related pa rin. Related question, Maricel Halili, TV5.
Quick follow-up lang po. Good morning, ma'am. Does the palace think that it is morally right for Solgen Guevara na mag-recute sa kaso, considering that during the time of President Duterte, he was the Justice Secretary, so baka may conflict of interest. Do you see this?
We have not talked about that. But we know that he will recuse himself from representing the government. And if it is related with his former post as the DOJ Secretary, we have not yet discussed about that.
Follow-up, Ivan Mayrina, GMA Integrated News.
Attorney Panelo views this act by the Solgen as a win, as in fact something that strengthens their case, questioning the jurisdiction of the ICC. Your reaction to that?
Of course, he will make that statement favorable to their case or to their position when in fact it's very clear from the statements, from the statement of Solgen Guevara that he's only discussing about the jurisdiction of the ICC. And that is also the pronouncement of the President that the ICC has no more jurisdiction over the Philippines. So there's nothing wrong with that. But never did Mr. Solgen mention that he is against the cooperation of the government with the Interpol. So how could it be used against the government?
Kat Domingo, ABS-CBN.
I'm just bringing back the discussion on the Solgen. How necessary is it for the palace to find another solicitor or another solicitor general or another government lawyer who is more willing to defend government agencies that executed the arrest?
What is the important? It's very important. It's very significant to get another lawyer who is very competent and very effective in defending the causes of the government.
And do you not see that coming from Solgen Guevara as of now?
As of the moment, he said he cannot effectively represent the government, so it comes from him.
In your assessment, does this warrant a resignation?
Well, as I've told a while ago, he should assess himself.
But would you at least recommend to the president?
No, I would not.